At sabay-sabay natin subukan itong upgraded probiotic by SMA Game Farm. Upgraded probiotic, ayan o. SMA probiotic, ayan. So yun yung content nya. Probiotic plus B complex plus iron, potassium, vitamin A, C, and E plus calcium plus prebiotic. Now with Korean ginseng and moringa extract. So ito yan. 7 billion CFU. So hindi ko naintindihan yan. 21 strain of good bacteria, yan alam ko yan. Boost the immune system, aid for conditioning, high fertility rate, and extend egg laying period for faster growth, anti-stress, good feather coating, natural disinfectant, and aid to boost digestion. So tara, sabay-sabay natin subukan tong SMA Game Farm Probiotic na available dyan sa Yellow Basket sa mga naghahanap dyan ng probiotic. Murang-mura lang. Dyan, no?